What's up guys? Welcome back to Manicaro Custom Guitars. And today I want to try a little experiment. Now if you remember well, a couple of videos ago I posted about this neck. There is a video of me designing Confusion, this neck, and then follow up another video of machining this neck on a CNC, which will have links somewhere up here. Unfortunately, during machining there was an operator error, which was me. Basically what happened was, while changing different tool pads, I did a mistake on the homing of the machine. And the result is that the tuner holes are far more forward than what they should be. So then I decided to scrap the neck and do another one. But I wanted to try something with this neck. I wanted to test how strong a 5-piece laminate neck is. Spoiler alert guys, as you can see, the neck has survived. The neck has survived very well. I went full load with my body, and I'm not a small guy. And it was really interesting to see how strong a neck is. Okay guys, I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and maybe learned something from it. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.